Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these cute little crochet love hearts. So you can use them as an applique to sew onto other projects, or you could pop a chain on here and use them to hang as hanging decorations. Loads that you can do with them in different colours and so on and so forth. So the two sizes here, the only difference with these two is this one, which I'm going to show you today. I've used a DK yarn, an acrylic yarn, and a 4mm crochet hook, which is USG 6, is it? So I've used a 4mm crochet hook and a DK yarn for that one. And for this one, I've used the same yarn, but I've used 2 strands, and I've used a 5.5mm hook. So just by changing the hook size in 2 strands, you can see the difference in size. You could probably go up to a 6mm hook on that and it still looks, it's quite tight, those stitches really, and that'd make it that bit bigger for you. So for the tutorial, you'll need your selected yarn, your corresponding crochet hook, or whatever you're trying to achieve, what size you think will be best. I'm using a 4, your scissors and your darning needle. If you subscribe to my channel, then thank you very much. I love speaking to and hearing from you. If you've not subscribed, you can do by clicking the link down below. If you hit the notification bell next to it and click all, that just means you'll get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So let's get started. So to start, we're going to start with a magic circle. Now, if you really struggle to do this, you can chain 4 or perhaps 5 and slip stitch to the very first stitch to form a loop that way. Or if you're okay with a magic circle, go ahead and do that. So to do that, you're basically just crossing your yarn over. Get your hook under here, pull it through, and then just I'm struggling today. Pull that through there. There you go. Okay, so we want to start by chaining 3. 1, 2, 3, and that will act as our first treble crochet. Treble crochet in the UK, double crochet in the US. Next, we're going to do a double treble. So to do that, we're going to yarn over twice. It's a treble in the US, double treble in the UK. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn and pull up a loop. So you've got 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And basically we're going to do another 3 double trebles. So we've got 4 in total. So we've just done 1. We'll do another. So that's 2, and then we'll do another. Three, and another one. Oh, not very treble there then. For our 4th. Right, so we've got the chain 3 and 4 double trebles. Next, we're going to do 4 treble crochets. That's double crochet in the US. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, so you've got 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So that's our first one. We're going to do 4. So the second, third, and 4th. Now we're going to do a double treble again, just the one. So yarn over twice. So that's one half of the heart complete now. So if you turn it the other way, that's one side, and we're just going to mirror the opposite side. So that means we need to do 4 treble crochets. So that's yarning over once. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to do 4 double trebles where you yarn over twice. That's 2. And 4. Yeah, I'm just checking that we're right. So, and now what we're going to do is chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, like we did at the beginning. And we're just going to slip stitch right here in the centre. And then yarn over and pull up a loop to tie it off. Now of course we want to pull on our little tail if we've used a magic loop. If you've not, you can pull on that still, and it will probably close the gap slightly. Just a note, if you've chained 4 or 5 and slip stitched and you're working into that loop, your stitches may get caught as you go round, but you can just move them round. You know, if your stitches are all clumping together, just shimmy them kind of round, if you will. And that's it. It's as simple as that. That's your crochet love heart. So using the 4mm hook and the double knit, the DK, it's measuring at 2 inches across on the love heart section, about 1.5 inches downward. So I'll just measure the bigger one for you. Let's have a look. So the bigger one is 2.5 inches by about 2 inches. So it does make a difference. If you used a 6mm hook, I think there's plenty of room in there to use a 6mm hook. That would make it larger still. Have a play around and see what you think. If you do want them bigger, or if you want to go smaller, again use a lighter yarn and a smaller crochet hook. If you wanted to make 2 and stitch them together, that would pad it out a bit. So there you have it. They are the crochet love heart. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, give me a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, pop them down in the comments box. And lastly, if you have Instagram or Facebook, come and say hello and head over to the social media. The links are in the description box. Thank you very much, everyone. Thanks. Bye.